An NDA review memo. 4 deviations flagged, 2 of them critical. Risk level, reject. The recommended action is already drafted, with the exact changes to request. This took minutes, not an afternoon. Here is how that happened.
In-house counsel at a 150-person SaaS company. 20 vendor NDAs landed during a procurement push. Each one has a different confidentiality period, different jurisdiction clauses. The playbook for reviewing them is the same every time, but every agreement hides its terms in a different place. The agreement reviewed at 9 in the morning gets careful attention. The one reviewed at 4 in the afternoon, after 6 hours of meetings, gets something less. A 3-year non-solicitation clause that should have been flagged as critical slides right through. Nobody is careless. Attention just fades. The checklist organizes the work. It does not read the document. A chat assistant gives a different answer every time and skips provisions at random. Contract management platforms handle outgoing agreements well, but reviewing an incoming NDA against your standards is a different problem entirely. The full agreement goes in. A structured review memo comes out. Every provision extracted, compared against the playbook, classified by severity. Whether the incoming document is a vendor NDA, a hospital's business associate agreement, or an insurance policy endorsement, the same comparison runs the same way. The memo opens with a document summary, then walks through every provision side by side against company standards. Deviations get severity levels and plain English explanations. The risk assessment connects specific findings to an overall classification, and the recommended action section drafts the exact changes to request, which, honestly, is the part that used to take the longest to write. A template tells you what to check. It does not check it. The review memo arrives with every provision compared, every deviation classified, every recommended change drafted. For a hospital network reviewing business associate agreements or an insurance carrier checking policy endorsements, the structure holds. The rigor does not change. Lassa.ai. See what this looks like for your agreements. Your playbook applied the same way every single time. The comparison work is handled. The judgment calls are still yours.